All right, one of the most important parts of mountain biking is cleaning your bike. So right here I have a cleaning kit that I got from my local Trek store. It has a chain degreaser, it has chain lube, and it has a soap. It works pretty well, and I'm gonna go over what I do to clean my bike. It's pretty easy. It's one of the easiest things you can do at mountain biking. Alright, so here's a look at my bike. It didn't get too dirty while I was out there on the trail. I went through the trail twice. It's a beginner trail. I had to get warmed up for this riding season. So I didn't get too dirty, as you can see, but I still want to keep it clean, keep the chain lubed up, prevent rust and all that sort of stuff. So while I get everything ready to clean the bike, I put the degreaser on there. You got to let it sit for a little bit to get the gunk and the dirt and everything worked out of the chain. And then I'm going to go from there. And then, like a car or motorcycle, you just start with the rinse, get all that grime out of there. Chain is one of the most important things you need to wash. So make sure you get all that gunk out of there, clean up tires and everything. It wasn't that dirty, so it didn't take too long. So now I'm spraying the soap on there. I also sprayed the soap in my bucket, so get it real nice and soapy there. So now you apply the soap to everywhere. Definitely want to get up in that chain. Like I keep saying, I had to wipe off the handlebars because I propped my bike up while I was on the trail and it fell, so it got a little dirty. Now it's time to rinse everything off and get a good rinse going. That process shouldn't take too long. And like I said before, you gotta make sure that chain is clean. So, I hit that thing one more time, make sure it's all nice and good, because that's gonna be a lifeline out there on the trail. Now that I got it all rinsed off, it's time for the drying part. Like everything else, dry from top to bottom. And what I typically like to do after I dry it from top to bottom with the bike upright, I flip the bike upside down to get the rest of the water out of all the little crevices and everything. Alright, I got that thing upside down. Now drying it off, as you can see, there's like little crevices down up in there. And I also like to loop my chain up upside down because I can get the chain rolling really good. I don't have to worry about it slipping through the gears and everything. I can really drive that chain and get, whatever gunk that may be on there off of there. Yeah, so that's why I like putting it upside down and trying it once more, like that. Alright, so when you washing your bike, make sure that you're not stepping in ants, because I did get attacked by ants. And after I dry off the bike, I add chain lube that's going to prevent rust. That's going to make sure your chain goes through the gears easily. I like to put that on the cylinder as well. And make sure that you test ride your bike after and shift gears to make sure everything's working good.